Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President and Secretary, Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan, respected Chairman of the session, dear colleagues and participants, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. I am Dr. Mohammad Yunus Lagari, Associate Professor in the Department of Freshwater Biology and Fisheries, University of Sindh, Pakistan. First of all, I am thankful to organizers of Third International Conference on Applied Zoology 2020 who provided me opportunity as a speaker during this virtual conference. Today, my topic is the growth evolution of Echinophagus latus dandia found in Indus River, Pakistan. These are the contents, introduction, objective, material, methods, and the results, then conclusion. First of all, I want to introduce the fish that I have selected for the present study. Is called as locally called as the yellowfin sea bream, even gray bream, or the Japanese cream, locally said as the dandia. Generally, this fish is live in the depth of the sea and about 50 meters, and it is have a schooling habit. They often feed on the tidal flats. Generally, these are the carnivorous fishes and especially feed on the chronodromous worms and crustaceans as well as the mollusks. Generally, yellowfin sea bream is the natural inhabitant of the creeks, but it also live in the estuarine water and also migrates towards the river. So that's why we have collected this fish because they have a great traits because of the drainage wastage of the rivers, industries, especially in the coastal region. That's why present study was selected, study of the growth at the fish in the Indus River. So the objectives was the project to identify the growth condition of Acanthopteris latus from the Indus rivers. The material methods includes the study site, sample collection, preservation, measuring of parameters, and the data analysis. This is the site selection layer look. We collected from the Tata site. It is a little bit upstream toward from the estuarine water body. It migrates upwards. So this is the site selection. We collected the fish from the by the help of the fishermen, and all the samples were collected and kept in the freezer in the ice box, and then brought to the Department of Freshwater Biology and Fisheries for the further analysis. This is the my research team that during this project, with the total length was measured in the centimeter, weight measured in the gram, which was used for the analysis. The analysis was after this to estimate the growth, the Likren method, Likren followed by the Likren that he suggested the formula by this is the formula. When we calculated the length weight relation, the length weight relationship of fish shows the good growth because regression value is the 0.939. This 0.39 suggests the growth is the better and good growth of this fish whenever it migrates upstream. So finally, whenever we collected about 300 fish species from the river, and out of them, this average was 15.667 centimeter, and the weight was 75.64 grams. When we calculated finally, the according to the formula suggested the Likren, that C is the constant values that suggest 3.8. That 3.38 is not an ideal growth, but there is the environmental factors or other factors that might be disturbed. That's why the value is very low. While n is the exponent here, this exponent value, it suggests the growth of the fish either is the isometric or the allometric. While this is shows that 2.59 is no doubt this knows 100% the isometric growth, but is the affected definitely whenever the habitat difference is very different. But however, it is the suitable and have a good range that is 2.5 is in ideal and might be cultured in the fresh water even. So there is the condition factor also collected also by the Fultons 967, while the Licren 1.937 also both the values suggest that is have an environmental impact on this the growth of the fish. So based on this study, we suggest and we can culture this species in the freshwater source. Further studies also needed to confirm and make a trial for further study to keep such a precious species in the culture system. Thank you.